When it comes to conducting accurate and precise surveying work in the bustling city of Noida, Sector 50, the expertise of DGPS surveyors is highly sought after. The use of Differential Global Positioning System, DGPS, technology ensures that surveyors can obtain accurate measurements by correcting the errors caused by signal distortions. This is particularly important in a sector like 50 in Noida, where there may be numerous tall buildings, trees, or other obstacles that can interfere with DGP signals. By utilizing DGPS technology, surveyors can overcome these challenges and provide reliable and precise surveying data for various projects in the area. One of the key aspects of any surveying project is the design of the Survey Control Network, SCON. The SCON design plays a crucial role in ensuring the accuracy and reliability of the surveying measurements. It involves strategically placing control points throughout the project area, which act as reference points for all subsequent measurements. These control points are established using precise DGPS equipment and are carefully coordinated to create a network that covers the entire project area. The design of the SCON takes into account factors such as the size and shape of the project area, the terrain, and any potential obstacles that may affect the accuracy of the measurements. In Noida, Sector 50, where urban development is rapidly taking place, the design of the SCON becomes even more important. With numerous construction projects happening simultaneously, it is essential to have a well-designed SCON to ensure that all measurements are consistent and accurate. This is where the expertise of DGPS surveyors specializing in this sector becomes invaluable. They have extensive knowledge and experience in designing SCONs that can handle the unique challenges posed by urban environments. The experience of DGPS surveyors is highly sought after when it comes to doing accurate and exact surveying work in the busy city of Noida, Sector 50. By rectifying the mistakes brought on by signal distortions, Differential Global Positioning System, DGPS, technology makes sure that surveyors may acquire precise measurements. This is crucial in areas like Noida's Sector 50, where there may be many towering structures, trees, or other obstructions that could disrupt DGP signals. Surveyors can overcome these difficulties and deliver accurate and dependable surveying data for a range of local projects by adopting DGPS technology. The design of the Survey Control Network, SCON, is one of the most important components of any surveying project. For the surveying measures to be accurate and reliable, the SCON design is essential. It entails carefully positioning control points, reference sites for all ensuing measurements, across the project area. A network of these control sites that spans the whole project area is built utilizing exact DGPS equipment and meticulous coordination.